According to the U.S. Secretary of Agriculture, Sonny Perdue, we need bigger farms that are going to produce more. In fact, in a recent meeting with farmers in Wisconsin, he said in America, the big get bigger and the small get out. And I don't think that's good for rural employment. I don't think it's good for the environment. I don't want to see a farmscape dominated by a few farms producing even fewer crops. So I think the solution is to sort of rethink U.S. agricultural policy. We want policies that are going to encourage farmers to produce a wide variety of crops. And we're also going to want to encourage them to reintegrate crop and livestock farming, because we've separated those two things and now we have a pollution problem related to what do you do with the manure. And I think that'll lead to a situation that's better for the environment. It's going to help improve prices, and it's going to make our farmers less vulnerable to tariff wars. And I also think it's going to be better for small farmers in other parts of the world. When we dump lots of crops on international markets, it depresses prices and it makes it really difficult for sort of small, vulnerable farmers, particularly in the global south. And it also signals to the rest of the world that we're beginning to rethink our industrial ag model. And we recognize that in this era of globalization, economic nationalism, trade wars, climate change, that's not the best fit anymore.